Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a very unique single-step hair bonding treatment that helps repair a hair along with improving scalp health. For that, take quarter cup soybeans in a bowl. Add water till they are fully immersed. Let them soak overnight. Take the soaked soybeans in a bowl. Add in 2 sprigs curry leaves and a small handful of neem leaves to the soaked soybeans. Now take them in a mortar and pestle and pound to crush them. This is a very heavy mortar and pestle that grinds everything very nicely. So I like to use it, but you can use a mixer to grind too. Add in water and grind well. Now strain to get herb infused soy milk. Take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder in a bowl. Add in 2 teaspoons of virgin coconut oil to it. Finally, add in the prepared soy milk. Now mix well. Make sure that the mixture is slightly runny as it will thicken once it gels. Now let it rest for 10 minutes. We get loads of soy-based hair products like hair serum, hair conditioner and hair shampoos in the markets. It is because soy protein and other nutrients present in soy milk helps nourish the hair and scalp very effectively. Neem leaves, curry leaves and fenugreek in the pack also helps promote hair growth. Neem also treats scalp problems like dandruff. Soya is available very cheap in all the departmental stores. Try to make your own soy milk like this instead of using store-bought soy milk filled with preservatives. After 10 minutes, the mixture would have gelled and thickened. Now apply this mixture all over the scalp and hair. Wait for 15 minutes and then wash and condition your hair as usual. If you're suffering from hair breakage or hair fall, do try this natural hair bonding treatment. It works really well. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.